Hello guys, let me share with you this stuff how you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna simply just select this you see this circle right here. All you gotta do is that select the layer and then put it right there. Okay, just like that. So now we can simply put it a little bit and Control X. Okay, just like that. I think you guys can see that, right? So what can we do next? So let me simply move it. You can move it anywhere that you feel, but there you go. You can also do the same thing also. So all you gotta do is that right click on this and then you can change it to whatever color that you feel like. So let me simply put a stroke right there and there. Okay, you guys can do a lot of stuff with it. Okay, let me do that. Okay, dissolved. Okay, just depending on how you want it. So highlight, something like that. So let me simply click. Okay, so you guys can see this beautiful amazing stuff. Okay, you can do whatever you feel like, guys. So okay, you can do a lot of things with this. Okay, again you can do also the same things again also to the other things, like okay, let me go to this and okay, these things right here. I can simply double click on it and then do something right here like that. You guys can see that. Let me remove, or let me go to this. Okay, there. How do you feel it? How do you feel about that? So you can change it to whatever stuff that you need. Okay, anything that you feel like is cool, you can change it to. Okay, depending on the color that you like. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.